Well, I got live just for TradingView to give me an update. Sweet. All right. So today is Monday. Got a few different things to take a look at. First thing, the market so far is looking pretty good. Consumers down a tab, but I think that's going to be pulling up this week, especially with Christmas. Energy is up. I'm actually surprised it even went down last week. The world, well, Brazil's not doing good. Ireland and China. China actually has me slightly surprised, but they actually have quite a bit of red over there. Full exchange. I mean, overall, it's looking decent. So I'm just gonna go ahead and throw that back over on my other screen. Let's take a look at Ford. So, as many of you guys have known, over here on this day, I sold Ford, it spiked, and then it crashed. It's been below my red line for a good part of last week until Friday. And it looks like we're going to start getting back into the money. If I zoom out here, you can see this definitely was the test area. So I believe this was sheer bottom right here. So we're 20 cents above the absolute bottom zone. You know, give or take. You know, not counting this dip here. This dip was heavily rejected. So I think I'm gonna start loading up on some shares. I may only pick up 1 or 200 shares for right now, and then work on getting some more when we start seeing it breaking back above 35, 1335. I'm not sure. But it definitely is starting to look like we may be going on the upswing. And yeah, even if we don't buy this stock today, getting a confirmation on what it wants to do would be quite important. I do have the stock over here on my Apple computer, so throughout the day I could take a look and keep an eye on it. Let's take a look at X. That's another stock that I actually quite like, but I had sold out. Right here, it went up quite a bit higher, but the Thursday and Friday it really came down like I was thinking that it would. And you can see it is trading below that line, not by a lot, but it's trading below. And I have an inkling feeling that it's going to continue to go down. So we're going to be keeping an eye on this. Kaba, I did sell out of that up near the top. Not yesterday, here. On Thursday. Friday, I saw this. I was thinking it was going to continue to go down. I totally missed this here. So it's already trading up near the top. So I think I want to load up on Kaba again, because I mean, it's been a very consistent player. Although people maybe start trying to get off the wagon a little bit, because I mean, there's been some really big dips like this one here. Let's go to the 1 hour. So yeah, I mean, we can see there's a good dip here, the big dip here, good sized dip right here. It hasn't been like this consistently smooth up climb. So we may want to be a little careful. But if we get a good dip today, I definitely think I want to buy on the dip because we see a big bearish candle. We get a little bit of green, and there's a good chance it will rip again. So we're going to keep an eye on that. Let me actually put that over here on this watch list. So we'll keep an eye on that stock. I think it could be a very interesting play. So switch that back to the 1 minute. Excuse me. Other than that, the market on the tablet has been a little unremarkable in the sense that there hasn't been a whole lot going on with it. Sorry, I had to get that plugged in. So it's been a little quiet. Excuse me. Let's go over here to the watch screen. I did have to redo my Thinkorswim, uninstall it and reinstall. So this is all not even set up right. I still haven't gotten it all done the way I wanted. There. So this is the new watch list, AM. This halted several times yesterday, or not yesterday, Friday. Major pullback. I did trade this. I lost money because I traded it on the down part of it. But holy crap, the upswing in the afternoon was really nice. Screw this stock. I lost money on that one. IQ, I think I'm done with IQ. So this is a stock that I'm going to be watching. It's been fairly consistent. Kind of like the same with this one. It's definitely starting to get up into the better price point. You know, when it's really super low, I'm not a big fan of them. This is a little bit higher of a price stock that I would like to trade, but I would still trade it. But CTM, I kind of like the way this is setting up. We get a good confirmation. It could easily break the high of 211 again. So I definitely would like to see what this is going to do. So yeah, that's pretty much that. Not really a whole lot here. And no major changes here. So I may keep an eye on this one. I think I have this one. Yeah, I got this one on the list here. I don't like how much it's been pulling back, but we'll keep an eye on it. We got that one. We're watching that one. Boyle. God, this stock here really had a good run, but it was more money than I would want to spend. TMF is back on here. And I got this thing still, Trade UI. I'm going to try to use the signals and so basically this have things showing the repeat. So when something triggers on here multiple times, it'd be near the top. I think that might be a good way for me to play that. So I'm just going to put that back down here so it's not taking up this window. I'll let you guys know what I think of it. I'm going to use it throughout this week still and finish up my opinion on it. Alright, so get that moved so I can see that. Oh, excuse me. Alright. I think we're ready to go. Is there any stocks you're watching? Yeah, you see how snappy that is now? I mean, it's beautiful. I didn't even look to see if I had a sound. I just checked. Thankfully, I do. Alright, X just went below that line. And it went below pretty hard. Sweet. That's exactly what we're looking for. Alright, I want to take a look at this over here. Oh, I forgot to switch it over. So you can see X went below that line pretty good. I didn't touch that. Alright. Okay. Now I'm pretty sure I'm set. Sweet. So in this stock here, unfortunately, I think has a lot more room to go down than up. Yeah, people are stacking up near the low 25. That's not good. How's GM doing? So it's kind of doing the same consistent last few trades, but more on an uptrend compared to Ford. So Ford is a little bit more flat. GM has been a little bit more trending up. So could see a spike out of GM. Going back up to 40, 41. That could be an interesting move. It's a little bit higher of a stock trade I would want to take, but if GM makes that move, Ford could follow as well, which definitely would line it up to be about the same. So with the market being kind of slow, I'm going to be checking a lot of different things. lot of buying coming in on this one. Excuse me. I don't know why I'm yawning. I had a really good shower. I got about 16 or no, 15 minutes, 14 minutes to market open. I think I started this stream just a little early because is this already damaged? You know, this is actually one of the areas that some people get bored. But honestly, this is what trading is about. I mean, there's just sometimes where it's just, you're just sitting here. It definitely could be boring. 150 to 51. And after the 23, it goes all the way up to 89. 1389. So you can see it jumps way up. That will put us back above the line. So if somebody just came in and bought all of that right there, it would jump it way up. I think this cord is going bad. I had to switch it. There. That's a jump. I'm surprised people are not. Yeah, it seriously goes from 23 to 89 to 1540, 1554. So even from here, there's not much stopping it from going way up. That's pretty interesting. Although the pre-market seems to be really light. Not that many shares have been traded. Now there's a little bit here and there. I'm in here all by myself. This is still not going off. Although this did show up. I don't like it. Okay, this is... I had a really good day here. This could be somewhat interesting. But DBGI, I've seen that one before. EXPR. This was a trade I did the other day. Back over here. Made some money. Could see it trying to work its way back up soon. This is a stock that I'm going to be watching. I'd say my bit rate's a little high. I don't know how to change that. I think I got it now. Hopefully that doesn't affect the video. Alright, to the viewer that's watching, is there any stocks you're watching right this second today? Still looks like it's going to be a good opening day. We got a lot of green on the map. So we should be opening good, which is going to be good for Ford and possibly X. HGTMO, do I have that one? Yeah, HTGM. I thought so. What is Ford doing? Sitting right about the same. That took a little bit of it down. And this stock has quite a bit of news on it. So selling the news sometimes is the winner, right? All right. I'm just kind of looking over everything. We got 3 minutes to the bell.
TNXP.
This should start talking a lot here pretty soon. This is moving quite a bit, which sometimes is good. It means there's some volatility. But it could also mean you could lose a lot of money really quick. It sounds like my kind of stock. Oh, market opened. Why did my speakers not go off?
HTGN.
Alright, well, I guess we're live now.
HTGN. Harz.
So HTGM just got halted. It opened up and immediately got halted.
APVO.
So we're still going to watch this one, but we're also going to be watching, or I am watching HTGM. We got a little bit during the halt. 1.6, almost 1.7 million shares was traded right out of open. That was quick. Trying to figure out what this one is going to end up doing. I do want to move this over just slight. Yeah, that's perfect. Market definitely did open strong. The NASDAQ is down slight. Went slight red.
TNXP, APVO.
AM. Nope, not yet.
Tall.
This one also halted.
AFMD.
So that one halted. Right along with a few other ones. So this is one I'm looking at. HTGM. It halted like immediately. This can be a really good running. I can imagine if I got in down here.
TNXP.
That would have been nice. Alright, so we're going to watch for this one. I'm going to put CJJD on the Mac. So I could watch that one.
AFMD.
And we're going to try to
REVN.
take a really solid look at this one. So watch screen KWE. It's looking kind of good.
CLVS.
Alright.
TNXP. TNXP. HTGM. REVN. HTGM. Rent. AFMD. AMAM.
I want to get a stop loss in here because I just want to be careful.
CLV.
I want it to get a little bit of room on it first. Oh, not that way. Not that way.
TNXP.
Not that way.
HTGM.
Damn it.
TNXP. HTGM. TNXP. AFMD.
So it just got halted again. I'm 160 negative. Good thing is it looks like people are moving up. So hopefully that's what happens. We're gonna... Man, the last time I played the halted stock game, I'd lost. I won a lot, but I ended up losing. So I need to tread carefully here. CJJD went down as well right out after halt.
Red.
But it seems to be doing CJJD. But we're not going to mess with another stock until we get this one figured out here. I like how people are stacking up over here above my buy-in. Let's keep that up. Fuck.
ANAM.
I haven't lost hope. I want to see a reversal for sure. Ford is going down. X went down.
APVO.
So that's kind of going to plan as much as that can.
Cool. Qui.
Kaba
AMAM.
is trending down. Ish. It's sitting at where it closed yesterday or Friday. Oh, the order that was up there is gone. It's way down here now.
REBN.
That's not
AFMD.
good. That's not good.
AMAM. CLBS. Momo. Rent. CLBS. HTGM.
It's going to end up getting halted again, and no, maybe not.
Harz.
Well, that was a quick loss.
AF90. Harz. HTGM.
For some reason, it's not showing the top chat over on my screen over here. Yeah, I was just quiet. Sorry about that. Today is definitely not being a good trading day. Hello, Sam. Kind of late to say that, though. Do I want to try to do it again? It's at the high of day right this second.
CLBS. Harz.
I mean, when you're at the high of day, you got to be careful because you could end up buying up there and then selling down here.
TMXP. CLBS.
Huh. Well, the sound of my computer has been kind of funny recently. This is acting slow again. What the hell?
HTGM, TNXP,
That's not gonna work.
ANAN, ARC, TNXP, HTGM, HTBF,
What is going on with my damn Thinkorswim? This is annoying. I spent a good part of my weekend dealing with this crap right here.
TNXP, ANAN, SNDX,
Anyway, this is not working either. Thankfully, I didn't go in up here. Just like I was saying, just did not feel right.
ARC, TNXP, REVN,
I think I jumped in on the HTGM just because I was hoping for a good win instead of doing proper trading. I need to not do that. I'm gonna go back and watch the video. I screwed up massively. This was showing a little bit of strength, but
AFMD, TNXP, SNDX, ARC, ARC, ARC,
why didn't it sell out?
TNXP, TNXP,
I'm gonna we'll take a look at it. Nothing else seems to be freaking working today.
AFMD,
Yeah, I think you're right. I think Rumble's gonna be going down. It's gonna have a lot of weight. So I got a little bit of my money back. I should probably look into doing call options. I haven't really messed with that all that much.
HTGM. AMAN. Art. TNXP. TNXP. TNXP.
Man, today is definitely not my day.
HTGM.
This is a little bit better, but
TNXP.
no, this here I could live with losing. This here just makes me upset. But you know, I think this is where I'm going to call it a day. Just allow the market to move for a little bit, and then I might come back, take a look to see what is doing well, and may make a few moves from that point. Or I may just call it a day.
AFMD.
I was just checking the list. I didn't see anything offhand that I liked. Man, I had some hopes for this one right here. I mean, it was trending high. It looked like it was going to be breaking above this here. And if it did that, I mean, seeing, you know, say $3 and up, or even as low as say 250, I felt like it was doable.
TNXP. ACT. CJJ.
Yeah, I am keeping an eye on Kaba. Uh, I'm looking to try to get back in. I think it's going to end up having a red day. It may go down and then spike later on today. But if it does have a consolidation saying going back down towards $5 or maybe a little bit more and start doing a pattern like this here to where it starts to pull back a little bit, I would be really happy because it's had a long time of just straight up, which is the reason why I want to be careful about jumping in on it. I just want to give it a little bit of room. I didn't even see it hit the high right there. It did that pretty quick. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and get off. Like I said, this is definitely not turning out to be a good one. I might go and drive around because the losses I made here I can make back fairly easily today. So I could break even. Could have just stayed in bed and watched TV, but I'll give this a little bit of time and see what happens. Anyway, see you guys later.